Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the, well, not complete, technically how you can do the seed stages event in your garden. So basically, you're going to just select show me the stage 1 seed. So buy whichever one you want. So it would be Route 1 and then purchase it. Then you're going to plant your garden with that seed. So for instance, this, just plant it. You can use sprinklers, and then once you've already gotten that crop, you're going to, let's use this one because it's already on the second evolution. You're going to go to Sam here. Wait, what's the name? Okay, and select I want to evolve this plant. You'll get the next tier seed and you get rewards as well. So Evo Mushroom 3 seed. You're then going to plant it. I recommend you using sprinklers as well here. Then once you've gotten that crop, you're going to give it to Samuel again. And then I want to evolve this plant. And then as you can see, you'll get these stage 3 rewards, which are more rare than these, obviously. Then you're going to get the last evolution seed, and you can just plant them in your garden. That's honestly pretty much it. I think it's a super chill update for this one. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. The 4th stage is the last one. You cannot submit anything anymore. You can just get the seed, I guess. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.